million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me take out this sunlight. I know the way it makes me come alive.
I'm back with some synthetic drip, and it's not on this unit on my head, but this unit still has me a little shook. It was still, hence that silence, but it was sent to us by the same company, and that's SamsBeauty. Y'all know I absolutely love SamsBeauty. If you look in the description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig. Not this wig, the wig I'm about to review. You'll see a direct link to this wig, as well as a video for the review on this wig, and that review has a link to purchase. Y'all, I'm in this color series, so I decided that it would be a good idea, just harebrained in the middle of the night, to do a color series where I focus on red blends and blonde blends. So I bought a whole bunch of wigs on my own. SamsBeauty was nice enough to send those over, this cutie as well as the one I'm about to review. Interestingly enough, I have reviewed this wig, but in a blonde color. Absolutely loved it. Y'all, SamsBeauty sent it over in a red. So look at this fancy, sorry. Look at this fancy box that it comes in. This wig is by Motown Tress. Y'all know I say all the time, I think Motown Tress is a slipped-on company. It's in the style LS136.Lily, Lily, and the color that SamsBeauty sent is OT Red, which OT stands for Ombre Two-Tone. Lily is seat safe up to 400 degrees. What else I need to know? It comes with a 13x6. She's 24 inches long. Way to put everything that you need to know on the stock card, Motown Tress. Okay, I said a blonde color. It looks kind of blood, but I reviewed Lily in ash brown. You absolutely need that color. I'll try to remember to put that link in there as well. But let's get into this red that SamsBeauty sent for this color series. This is OT Red. I know the wig is a bop. The color is beautiful. She came with lace I've cut off. That's all I've done to this wig because y'all know I like to do everything on camera. Comb in the back, adjustable straps. She comes with that, what did I say, 13x6? 13x6 faux skin pouch, which means that, you know, it's like that. You got a comb to the right, comb to the left, and that pre-sewn end band. I don't ramble. What we 2 minutes in, y'all. I'm just going to plop Lily on my head, play around with her, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. I gotta convince myself to take Destiny off. Okay, listen. Y'all, Lily got me feeling real Jessica Rabbit. This wig is bomb.com. Motown Tress with this color blend did such a beautiful job. The texture on this unit, if you see, is not, it's that nice in between where it's not too silky, but it's not too yucky. Y'all, this is a nice unit. Like I said, Motown Tress with their coloring just did a really pretty job. I think that this color could take you in the fall. Okay, of course, in the summer it's a little hot right now. Be careful, guard yourself. But if you look, you got darker pieces here and then lighter pieces. This color is just really bomb. And I'm glad that we got this from SamsBeauty to include in our Red Blonde series, because this is it, ma'am. Bim bam. I definitely 1000% recommend this one. I also like the layers that come pre-done in this unit. If you see, I kept playing around with it, flipping it, dipping it, all types of stuff. And I'm still able to get my fingers straight through this. The layers, that's what I was saying. The layers do make this so pretty, y'all. Yes, definitely pick this one up. And y'all know if it was trash, I would tell you. But like I said, that ash brown was pretty. And I'm thinking that I might like this red just a little bit better. Definitely recommend it. We have one more wig from SamsBeauty that's in our Blonde Red series. And it's a blondish blend. So I'm excited about that. Like I always say, maybe you're not into wigs. Maybe it's your Auntie Lily. Maybe it's your Uncle Luther. Whichever one, send them my way. And me and SamsBeauty will get them right. Y'all, this is a bop. This is a bop. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, y'all.